You're here with the Dragon again of Dragon Works. We got a 1958 Simplex motorcycle here. She's not starting or running, so he brought it in. The Dragon can work his magic on her. Customer had the motor rebuilt not too awful long ago. Got a new carburetor on it, all that kind of stuff. And she's not starting anymore for him. It's 125cc two-stroke, single cylinder, single carb. Really cool. Awesome little bike. I'll work my magic on it. I'll get it back to running for him. The rumor goes that the guy who started this company used to work for Harley Davidson. And he made some comment one day that Harley Davidson should make motorcycles that anybody can afford. And, well, he lost his job. And he wound up starting his own motorcycle company. And this is what he came out with. This economical little bike. It's automatic, belt drive, just like most of the Harleys were. Originally, in the day, big old belt on the wheel there. I'll get it better video and better lighting when I get going. This is just a little introductory. It was just dropped off. Also, little rumor that this kickstand, it does fold up. I got it sitting on the block to hold the bike up straighter for you. It's a folding kickstand. It goes up further, but... And the rumor goes that the company, Simplex, was on some tough times and needed some cash. So they sold the patent to that kickstand to Harley Davidson. And the rest is history. The Jiffy stand. So they got their money and they were able to keep going for a while. Well, they made these bikes for like 20, 30 years, something like that. I thought it was like, 30 something to 58, but I've heard some people say there's some 60s out there. So I'll have to do my research, do my homework for you. But anyway, the Dragon will get this thing up and running right. So it starts right up and runs great. I already spotted some parts that we need, but the customer is going to wait for me to give him a good diagnosis and get him parts list or what have you. He's got a hookup for the parts already, so we can get what we need. And then we'll do some better videos when I get it up and running and take her out for a little putt. Ain't she neat? Yeah, cool little bike. 1958 Simplex. All right, guys. Just dropped it off, and I will be working on it tomorrow. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Peace out.